Today we celebrate a momentous occasion, the graduation of our Associate in Barangay Governance students.
There are 15 graduates as of now. They finished the 4-month training. It's a program for barangay officials, elected and non-elected barangay officials.
You are the pioneers of specialized program that stands as a testament to the fruitful collaboration of the Universidad de Manila, Department of the Interior and Local Governments Manila, Manila Barangay Bureau, and Liga ng mga Barangay under the leadership of our Honorable Mayor Hani Lacuna Pangan.
At ang inyong dedikasyon upang palawigin pa ang inyong mga nalalaman at ang inyong mga kasanayan ay lalong magpapataas ng antas ninyo bilang leader ng inyong mga barangay.
We received a memorandum coming from the Manila Barangay Bureau in collaboration with the Department of Interior and Local Government.
At first, medyo doubtful yung mga barangay officials if they need to enroll. Kasi, syempre, they are given this initial training in the barangay, which they call Beneo for the newly elected. But then, they found out na yung ABG is more in-depth in discussion as regards their responsibilities.
Since day one, marami na kaming nagawa na hindi namin alam na pwede pala namin gawin under our power and responsibility pala.
Huwag po nating katakutan yung may bayad. Ano naman po sa bulsa natin, yung 16,000 plus, pumapayag naman po ang UDM ng hulugan. Kami po rito nag-enroll, 200 piso lang po ang aming sinimulan.
I highly recommend this program na talagang itangkilik o tangkilikin ng ating mga public servants. Malaki ang kurso, maraming matututunan at talagang dito malalaman kung ano ang trabaho natin bilang mga public servant. Sa ating minamahal na Mayor Hani Lacuna, salamat po sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa amin at talagang sana po maging tuloy-tuloy pa ang kursong ito dahil sigurado ko na talagang magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na Asensong Maynila.
Congratulations po sa pioneering batch ng Associates in Barangay Governance. Magsama-sama tayo sa patuloy na pagsusulong ng isang epektibong pamamahala para sa kabutihan ng ating kapwa at bayan. Mabuhay ang Barangayan Asenso Manileño!